Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to add functions in a Google Sheet, which is one of the most important and prominent aspects of Google Sheet. I'm going to show you three basic formulas how to add it. One is using the sum function, second is using the count function, and third is using the average function. For the sum function, what you need to do is select this entire cells, okay? So all the ingredient lists I have selected, and I'll go to this function icon and I'll just click on sum. As soon as I do this, I'll just press enter. So you can see I've got the sum over here. Now to apply this formula to the entire row, what you have to do is you just have to drag and drop and the formula will automatically be implemented. Easy? Yeah. So this was about the sum formula. Talking about the second one, which is the count formula. Now how you do count? Why I've highlighted sum is because we don't want to count the sum, okay, count the something over here, and we just want to count the number of ingredients that we are using, okay. So click on this count cell and go to functions and click on this count function. All right, now click on this first thing, press shift and use the down arrow to just take it till here, okay, only till sugar. Once this is done, press enter. As soon as you press enter, you can see I got the value 3, which means I'm using three ingredients, which is egg, butter, and salt. Similarly, to apply this function to all the other rows, I'll just drag and drop and it automatically gets applied. So this is also another simple way how to do it. Now I'm seeing here there's this lowest price per unit and there's highest price per unit given over here. What we're going to do is we're going to take the average. So I select this, I go to function and I click on average. Since I selected two adjacent column cells, so the result will automatically be saved in the next adjacent column cell. All right, so you can see it's over here. I just need to press enter, and yeah, so I got the average price per unit. I'll again just drag and drop it till here, and you can see how the function is being implemented in all the cells. So this was about the sum function, this was the count function, and this was the average function that we used. Hope this helped.